So today our sum is a ninth problem. Ninth problem in that worksheet. If you don't have that worksheet, ask me. I will post it once again in your group, or I will send you individually. So now today we are going to discuss about ninth problem. In that, he given the distance. In general, we are denoting distance as a s, but here in this problem your distance is x that is in the form of equation 9 plus 5t square meters. Look here, 9 plus 5t square bracket this whole thing with the unit of meters, and he is asking average velocity, average speed or average velocity. Why I am saying both are same? Because in a straight line you can say average speed is equals to average velocity, and you can say speed is equals to velocity. Why this? Because the object is under in a straight line motion, that is in a straight line motion. So you can say their magnitude and direction both are both are given to you like this. Magnitude means the size, whether it is 30 kilometer per hour, 40 kilometer per hour, like that. Direction is a straight line. Come on, this here he given that like this. It covers x distance in 3 seconds, and in 5 seconds it covers a distance more than the distance covered in previous case. That means the object is traveling in this way. It starts at 0 seconds. 1 second it is up to here. 2 seconds it is up to here. 3 seconds it is up to here. Fourth second it is up to here. Fifth second up to here. What he is asking, during the intervals, that is between 3 seconds to 5 seconds, it covers a distance. During that interval of time, what is its average velocity he is asking? First of all, you need to know the formula for that. V average is equal to distance covered in 5 seconds minus distance covered in 3 seconds divided by time. Look, distance minus distance, you will get a distance only. Distance x5, it is a distance covered in 5 seconds. X3, it is also a distance covered in 3 seconds. Do subtraction between these two distances and you will get net distance during 2 seconds. That means between 3 seconds and 5 seconds. Now how to proceed? Our equation xt is equals to, that is in t time, xt is equal to 9 plus 5t square. It is a given equation. Now do one. To calculate the distance covered in 3 seconds, just substitute 3 instead of t in given equation. Look here, xt, x3, 9 plus 5t square, 9 plus 5 into, instead of writing t, we are writing 3. That means we are substituting 3 in t. Then a simple calculation and you are getting 54 meters. So it covers a distance 54 meters in 3 seconds. Now come on, the distance covered in 5 seconds. From the same equation, just substitute instead of t, 5 you can substitute, because you need to know the displacement or distance covered in 5 seconds. By substituting the 5 at the t, you will get the distance covered in 5 seconds as 134 meters. 134 meters. X5 you got 134 and X3 you got 54 during 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Now V average is equal to net distance x5 minus x3, that is 134 minus 84, that is nothing but 80 divided by 2. Do the calculation here. So okay, what we got here, in the given equation we substituted seconds. How many seconds given? 3 seconds or 5 seconds? in that equation, and we are substituting 3 seconds instead of writing t, or we are substituting 5 seconds instead of t. Suppose if he given find the average velocity during the intervals 7 seconds and 10 seconds. Suppose he is asking like that between 7 seconds and 10 seconds. You just substitute here 7, then you will get the distance covered in 7 seconds, and here you can substitute 10, then you will get a distance covered in 10 seconds, and substitute the values here, and here t will change because 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Here he is asking average velocity during the time intervals between 5 seconds and 3 seconds. 5 seconds and 3 seconds. That's why I'm writing here 5 minus 3. Okay, in our second case, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 7. You will get a 3. Okay. Like that, we can proceed for next sum. Okay. Just note it down. So in our next sum, a bus and a man. First of all, bus starts at location A here, and it starts its journey with 0 velocity and with the acceleration A is equal to 1 meter per second square. From here it starts. And a man who is 48 meters behind the bus means that person is here. That person is here. Okay. Now what is happening? Bus starts its journey and man starts his running. What happened? After certain time t, this man runs up to here, and this bus reaches the same distance up to here, and he get inside the bus. That means he catch the bus. First of all, man is 48 meters behind the bus. He is running to catch the bus. At the same time, simultaneously, bus starts its journey with the 0 initial velocity and with the acceleration 1 meter per second square. At certain distance, after certain time, man gets into the bus. That means he catches the bus. What is that time? At time enta. Now, this is our picture. Look, man runs with a constant velocity. That is, u is equal to 10 meter per second square. Bus starts with the acceleration, starts with the 0 velocity and acceleration 1 meter per second square. So, displacement covered by the bus, s is equal to half a t square. Displacement covered by the man, that is the ut. In our first sum, in this exercise, in our first term, we discussed about this. Accelerating bodies displaces with the displacement s is equal to ut plus half a t square. If u is equal to 0, s is equal to half a t square. Suppose the same one covers a displacement with the uniform velocity, that means u, uniform velocity. It covers a distance s is equal to ut. According to that only, we got this formula, half a t square and ut. Now, we will write the equation. They both reaches here. Bus and a man reaches here. To reach this location, the distance covered by the man, 48 meters up to here, and AB, CA and AB. But the bus travels a distance of half a t square, right? Half a t square. So come on here. We will separate this journey distance and this journey distance. So man covered from here to here, that is ut. The distance covered by man is ut. That is equal to distance covered by the bus and 48 meters. I hope you understand. The total distance covered by the man is ut is equal to the distance traveled by the bus or covered by the bus plus 48 meters, So 48 meters plus half a t square is equal to ut. This is your equation. If you not understand this one, please send me a screenshot with this. Now I will give you once again the solution how to proceed. Now multiply with the 2 on both sides. 2 into 48, 96. 2 will get cancelled. 80 square is equal to 280. Here you will get a quadratic equation. To get the time, we need to go for a simple mathematical concept, that is factorization. Simple mathematical concept, that is called factorization. How to proceed with that, will give you later. Now first of all, substitute the value of a is equal to 1 meter per second square in this equation, and substitute the value of u is equal to 10 meter per second in the above equation. Then you will get 96 plus 1 into t square equal to 2 into 10 into t. 2 tens are 20t, it will come here. 1 into t square only you will get. Look, that equation once again written here. 96 plus 1 into t square is equal to 20t. Then a small changes here. 1 into t square is equal to t square. Bring this quantity on left hand side, minus 20t plus 96 as it, that is equal to 0. Now this is your equation. By finding the value of t from this equation, by using factorization method in mathematics, you will get the values like this. So t square is minus 20t. 20t is equal to 12t minus 80. Look, 12t minus 80. How much it is? 20t once again. Now take t as a common in this. Now you will get t minus 20 remains here. Minus 8 as a common. Then t minus 12 you will get. Just t minus 12 is a common. Then t minus 8 will be remains here. From this I will write here. T minus 8 is equal to 0 implies t is equal to 8 seconds. Similarly, t minus 12 is equal to 0 implies t is equal to 12 seconds. So we got two solutions. We got two solutions. Either t is equal to 8 seconds or t is equal to 12 seconds. When you are getting these type of solutions, two solutions, consider minimum ones. Smaller one. That means here, what is the smaller one among these two? 8 is a smaller. So t is equal to 8 seconds is your answer. So after 8 seconds, man running with the speed of u is equal to 10 meter per second. Bus accelerates with the acceleration of a is equal to 1 meter per second square. When they both will met, or when he will catch the bus after t is equal to 8 seconds. From here to here, if he runs for 8 seconds, in the same time, in 8 seconds, that bus will travel its journey or complete its journey from A to B. Then bus will be here and man will be here. Simply he will get into the bus. Okay, go through it once. Note it down. Today evening you will get a mathematical physics 3rd period. Once again I am giving instruction to you all. Please go through that video and prepare a notes and practice your notes, your class notes, because many of you are not well in vectors and mathematical physics. Please go through these classes once again. Then you will get some idea, a little idea. Thereby you can proceed the problems. Notes, our fact notes. Already I told our physics classes or our physics chapters. That's a 3 years course. 8th class, 9th class and 10th class. 3 years course. In your 8th class, you are learning basic things in mathematical physics, and in physics 3 chapters. In your 9th class, on the basis of this, we will proceed. And in 10th also. Then you will get a good idea about problems. Okay. So today evening we will go with the mathematical physics class 3. Okay. Note it down.